Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be going over the process of connecting your laptop to your TCL Smart TV via an HDMI cable. This is a very easy and simple process, and for this you're going to need three things. Firstly, a laptop, of course, a Smart TV, and an HDMI cable. For those who don't know what an HDMI cable looks like, this is a prime example of an HDMI cable. Now, what you're going to want to do is insert one end of the HDMI cable into your TV. Keep in mind, your TV will have a few options: HDMI 1, HDMI 2, and HDMI 3. Go ahead and choose whichever you wish. Then, moving on, you're going to want to insert the other end of your HDMI cable into your laptop. Now, once you do that, simply open up the TV, click on the source input option, and then you should be able to see HDMI 1, 2, and 3. Go ahead and click whichever one you chose, and right before your eyes, you should be able to see your laptop display. I hope this video helps.